Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Actual Guns add-on, which is a add-on for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's a really nice add-on. It's probably the best guns add-on yet in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Like, it's really good. It's better than any other guns add-on I have ever seen in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It has run animations and stuff like that. It's really good. I mean, it's a pretty my favorite gun add-on in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Let's just wait for it to generate the world. It may take a while to generate a world because this add-on is pretty big actually. It's not that big, it's like 6 to 7 MBs, but it's pretty big actually. Now just let's wait to create a world. My RAM is 1 GB. It's shit. As you can see, the actual guns add-on is loading up. You can find the link in the description below. I hate my Android because it has only 1 GB RAM. It's so slow, it will take sometimes hours to load the world in. I will enable fast forward now. Oh, come on. Why it's taking so long to load the crap up? Come on, world. I'm gonna fast forward it to like 4x speed. I don't care. Come on, load it up, load up, load up, load up, load the shit up, load up, load up, come on. Dang, why it takes so long? I really miss my 3 GB RAM Android. It was like father to me. It was a legendary phone. I loved it since I became a kid. I loved it. And this 1 GB RAM phone is like a dickhead phone. Only 1 GB RAM, and it's a 4 years old smartphone. No, it's not actually a smartphone. It's a tablet. You know, it doesn't matter. What the fuck? Why it takes so long? Dang it. Come on, load the crap up. As you can see, the world has been loaded up actually. Now let's type. The first thing you have to do is type. Come on, why it's so laggy? Don't complain about my Android. It sucks balls. Give AP AR. There are a lot of guns here. I'ma give myself a AKM. Come on. Yes. Why it takes? Yes, as you can see, look at it. And it actually works fine. As you might be wondering why there is unlimited ammo, because I'm in creative mode. As you can see. Wait, let's kill this mob quick, right quick. As you can see, it works like a charm. And when you sprint, it looks like this. And when you crouch like that, it will aim. Let's kill that poor doggy. Dog. It's pretty nice actually. It's a nice mod. They give you a lot of stuff like that. And if you yes, they have snipers too. Slash. Wait a second. Give AP sniper You have two types of sniper. One is AK, one is Barrett, and one is AWP. I'm gonna give myself AWP sniper actually. As you can see, all models are well made, and if you crouch, you can see you have a sniper. Yay! Let's aim at the pig. Kill him. Why? Why my aim sucks? Why? Android sucks. Because my touch is like not too sensitive. I mean, it's way too sensitive exactly, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, you can run around like that. You can be like assassin in a multiplayer games. It's good for multiplayer game. As you can see, it's really good. Wait, I'm gonna give myself a gun, a shotgun, so I can rule over the world like Hitler. I'm a Hitler. Shotgun. Yes. Let's kill some piggies with it. Shotgun M3. You know, it's a nice add-on to have. You know about the other add-ons, other guns add-ons, where you can like throw weapons around people and kill them with it. I mean, these add-ons sucks, but it's better than them. If you want to make like a Call of Duty add-on for some reason, it's the best add-on for it. Wait a second, I'm gonna kill this piggy. Oh, holy god. It's hard to control using one hand because I'm holding my mic with my other hand. As you can see, I'm a killer now. I'm a Hitler. As you can see, there are a lot of guns like that. I can have a grenade too if you want to. Give AP what is called like, I don't know what his name is. I think it's wait, let me think. What it's called? Chain grenade. I think it's named the chain grenade. Yes, its name is throw a ball chain grenade. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Dang, it's a big name. As you can see, I have a grenade. I think it doesn't like destroy some objects around. Yes, it destroys objects around. Why it's being so buggy lately? What? Why isn't it throwing? Is this stuck on grass block or something like that? What the fuck is happening? Why? I'm pretty sure it has like animation of it. I don't know, it has some bugs with it. I hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing if you liked that video. Till then, bye bye.